Yo, make sure when y'all in Orlando, man, yo, come holla at these boys, man, they get you right, man. They're right here on the trail, OBT, Orange Blossom Trail, Orlando, Florida. See a bunch of zombies walking around here, but it's the only place I go. Get your rims re-drilled, they bent. I'm saying this place to go. Get you right, man. He look out for me because I'm always coming up here. I'm saying the owner, there's a little Zoe buddy right there, Zoe Pine. Zoe been up here 100 years. Hard Cadillac in the city too, man. Yep. Make sure y'all at Smitty, man. We need to do another video, man. What we gonna do, man? Smitty, man, Smitty got 1 foot in the street, man. Gotta get foot out of the street, Smitty, man. Yeah, I got 1 foot in the street myself, man. We gotta get foot out of the street, man. We go all the way straight, get the YouTube money, man. Man, a lot of these dudes, they be signing people and they don't got no money. We need to do the same too. We need to expand, Smitty, on the social network, bro. We got a social media, social network.